The meta model. The meta model is a key concept in neuro-linguistic programming, NLP, that can be a powerful tool for marketers and copywriters. What is the meta model? The meta model is a set of linguistic patterns that can be used to uncover and clarify hidden or missing information in language. It was developed by Richard Bandler and John Grender, the founders of NLP, as a way of modeling and understanding the language patterns of exceptional communicators. The meta model works by identifying language patterns that are vague, incomplete, or distorted, and then asking specific questions to clarify and refine the information. By doing so, it can help to uncover the underlying structure of language and reveal the speaker's underlying beliefs and assumptions. For example, if someone says, "I can't do it," the meta model would identify the language pattern as a deletion, since it's not clear what it refers to. The meta model would then ask specific questions to clarify the missing information, such as, "What specifically can't you do?" This would help to uncover the speaker's underlying beliefs and assumptions and provide a clearer picture of what they're trying to communicate. Why should you be using the meta model as a marketer? As a marketer, using the meta model can help you to create more effective and persuasive content. By understanding and using the linguistic patterns of the meta model, you can uncover and clarify the underlying beliefs and assumptions of your audience and tailor your message accordingly. For example, if you're writing a sales letter for a product, you could use the meta model to identify any vague or incomplete language in your copy and clarify it with specific questions. By doing so, you'll provide a clearer and more compelling message that addresses the specific concerns and needs of your audience. Using the meta model can also help you to communicate more effectively with your audience. By using language patterns that are clear, specific, and well-formed, you'll be more likely to capture and maintain your audience's attention and interest. In short, the meta model is a powerful tool for marketers and copywriters that can help you to create more effective and persuasive content. By understanding and using the linguistic patterns of the meta model, you can uncover and clarify the underlying beliefs and assumptions of your audience, tailor your message accordingly, and communicate more effectively.
Example.
Have you ever considered the underlying beliefs that are holding you back from success? Do you ever feel like your current approach isn't getting you the results you want? What specifically is causing you to feel stuck in your current situation? How do you envision your ideal outcome, and what steps can you take to get there? Can you tell me more about what's been preventing you from achieving your goals? What is the root cause of the challenges you're facing in your business? What are the underlying beliefs that are keeping you from making progress? What strategies have you tried in the past, and why do you think they didn't work? Can you describe in detail the specific problem you're trying to solve? What do you think is the most important factor in achieving your desired outcome? What specifically are you hoping to gain from using our product? How can this help you overcome the obstacles you're currently facing? What do you think is preventing you from achieving your full potential? What are the specific goals you hope to accomplish with our service? Can you give me more information about the challenges you faced in the past? What would be the ideal outcome for you, and what steps do you need to take to get there? What specific areas do you feel like you need the most support in? What are the core values that drive your decision-making process? Can you describe in detail the specific benefits you're looking for in a product? What motivates you to succeed, and how can this help you achieve that success? What are the specific pain points you're experiencing in your business? What are the key metrics that you use to measure success? What specific factors are preventing you from achieving your desired outcomes? Can you describe the ideal scenario in which you would use this product/service? What are the specific obstacles that have prevented you from achieving your goals in the past? What do you think is the biggest challenge facing your industry right now? How do you think this product can help you overcome the challenges you're currently facing? What are the key performance indicators that you use to measure success in your business? What specific features do you look for in an X product/service, and why? What do you think is the most important factor in achieving success in your industry? Can you describe in detail the specific outcomes you hope to achieve with this product? What is the biggest obstacle standing in the way of your success, and how can this product/service help you overcome it? What are the specific benefits that you're looking for in a service, and how does this meet those needs? What do you think is the biggest opportunity for growth in your industry right now? What specific challenges have you faced in the past, and how have you overcome them? What do you think is the key to achieving long-term success in your business? What are the specific features of this product that you find most appealing? What is the most important factor in achieving your desired outcomes, and how can this help you achieve it? What are the specific metrics that you use to measure success in your business, and how does this product help you meet those goals? What do you think is the biggest challenge facing your customers, and how does this product/service help address those challenges?
A Skeleto.com course.